High, fast for all us. Praise and gratitude we say to God Almighty for the mercy and grace that God has given us. And let me introducing myself. My name is Mona Dianova Purba. You can call me Mona. I school at the SMP Negeri 1 Silokahyan. Here, I will give a speech about the negative impact and positive impact of social media. Social media is an online media that is used by others, where users can easily participate, interact, share, and create content for blogs. The positive impact of social media that is make it easier for us to interact with many people, expand relationship, distance, and time are no longer problem. It is easier to express ourselves and etc. And social media also have a negative impact. First, make the student become lazy learning because his part-time used to play Facebook, Twitter, and etc. Second, time learning of the student is reduced. And the last, emergence of sites that do not bring positive infection the student, like pornography, online games, violence, and others. Today, people already know the name of social media, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pet, and etc. Almost all adolescents use social media to communicate with friends, family, or lovers. Even many parents who have a Facebook account or Twitter, like my mother. My grandmother also had made a Facebook account, but now it was solved. In Indonesia, users of social media as much reach as 65 million people, where Facebook users as much 40%, Twitter users as much 20%, and BBM users, Instagram, Pet, and other social media much as 40%. It is impact of social media. My suggestion is we solve social media properly and have to take the positive infection of social media and avoid negative impacts. So much from me. Dan dari kesimpulan pidato saya tadi, sebagai kaum generasi muda, kita harus dapat mengontrol dan mengurangi penggunaan media sosial. Karena media sosial tidak hanya memberikan dampak positif bagi kita, tetapi juga memberikan dampak negatif bagi kita. Contoh dampak positif dari penggunaan media sosial ialah memperluas wawasan dan mempermudah interaksi kita dengan orang banyak, dan terlebih lagi membantu kita dalam proses belajar mengajar secara daring. Dan dampak negatif dari media sosial ialah membuat orang-orang kecenderungan bermain internet dan rentan terhadap pengaruh buruk orang lain. Sekian dari kesimpulan pidato saya. Jika ada kesalahan kata, mohon dimaafkan. Sekian dan terima kasih. Horas.